Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received of our customer for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 365 2021 Module 9 SAM Project 1A assignment. Our client provided some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here is summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File Setup. Start by saving the provided Excel file with a new name. Ensure your name appears correctly in cell B6 on the documentation worksheet. Verify that the solver add-in is installed in Excel.
Step 2. Error Correction. Go to the blended training worksheet and use Excel's auditing tools to trace and fix errors. For cell F7, trace precedents and dependents to locate the #value error, then correct the formula. In cell B21, use error checking to fix the name error, ensuring the formula calculates the average income correctly. In cell B17, evaluate and fix the divide by zero error and copy the corrected formula across the row. Step 3. Data Validation. Add a data validation rule for the trainee numbers, B5, ensuring values are greater than 0. Set up input and error messages to guide users. Step 4. Scenario Management. On the Tutorial Fees worksheet, create 2 new scenarios, max attendance and low attendance, to compare profits based on varying trainee numbers. Then display the low attendance scenario.
Step 5. Scenario Analysis. On the new fees worksheet, generate a scenario summary report and a scenario pivot table to analyze average profits under different fee changes. Step 6. Solver Optimization. In the Webinars worksheet, use Solver to maximize weekly profits by scheduling webinars and consultations, adhering to specific constraints. Save the model and produce an answer report to document the solution.
If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 65268 or log in to our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.